For our first project, we'll start by spray painting a grapevine wreath black. Then we'll paint some plastic spiders gold. To make the wreath glow, next we'll wrap the wreath with purple LED lights. I'm just going to slip the battery pack behind the wire here and add some tape to secure it in place. Using hot glue, secure each gold spider to the wreath, making sure not to glue over the light strand. And here's the finished look. I'll be making some spooky drawings in this next video. I'm going to start by sketching a spider with pencil. Once I have my outline, I'll start filling in the sketch with marker. And erase any pencil lines that remain. A fine tip marker is perfect for adding extra small details. I'm just gonna lightly trace the small frame to see how far out from the spider I need to make a background. Using various shades of marker, I'm going to simply make a gradient around the spider. Here's a moth I'm also working on. I'll use a white pencil to add some small details onto the moth. Then I'm just going to cut out the art and place them into small antique frames. Next, we'll make a small Halloween tree. Starting with a miniature artificial Christmas tree, first wrap the burlap base with plastic. Then dust the tree with black spray paint until it's completely covered. Using orange spray paint, dust the outer branch tips with paint, leaving the central part of the tree black. Then remove the plastic and let it dry. Using some hot glue, adhere plastic spiders to the tree. I'm using a few different sizes on mine. Next, glue one end of black string to a branch, and then wind the string around the tree. Don't be afraid to overlap in some areas, as it gives it more of a spooky look. Once complete, trim and glue the string end to the tree. In this next segment, I'll show you how to give a regular mirror a shattered look. Start by cutting out jagged triangles from black paper, as well as other jagged shapes. Using painter's tape, start adhering the shapes to the mirror. These are meant to appear as holes in the mirror where the glass has been broken and is missing. Continue this process until you reach the look you want. Next, I'll show you how to transform a summer wreath into a fall one. Simple greenery wreaths such as this one right here are very common decorative accents in people's homes today. And so in today's video, I thought it'd be really fun to show you how you can add a fall accent to an existing wreath. So the very first thing I'm going to add to this wreath are some fall colored decorative mums. And because I want to keep this wreath for the regular season, I'm not going to glue these in, but just simply tuck them into the wreath. And in a very similar coloring, I'm going to add some of these little artificial pumpkins. Now I think I'm going to keep these pretty much just towards the bottom of the wreath to continue with this asymmetrical look. And so, with just a few fall touches, we've transformed this all-seasons wreath into a fall wreath. In this video, we'll make some spooky eggs. So the first thing I'm going to do is just simply cover these little egg cups with some silver spray paint. So the next thing I'm going to do is just apply some black craft paint to give it kind of a brushed rustic finish. I'm pretty much keeping the brush strokes going about the same direction, just to kind of keep with the look. And then next, I'm just gonna turn it back over and go over the base. Now I don't mind having a few little brush strokes because it does kind of give it a more spooky rustic finish. And then I'm just gonna kind of do around the top here and also a little bit on the inside just to bring the look inside the egg cup. So the next thing I'm going to do is paint one of these little plastic eggs red, and actually the other one is going to be painted black. And then using some watered down craft paint and a craft brush, speckle the egg's surface. Then just add some Craft Excelsior to the little egg cups. And then add your spooky eggs. So one final additional step you can do if you want your eggs to look like they're about to hatch. Using a black marker, just apply some little crack lines. If you're looking to go a little more advanced with your haunted eggs, consider cutting a hole in the bottom of the egg, applying some black craft paint to the edge and the interior, and then using some spooky decorations to look like the egg is hatching. And finally, I'll show you how to make a whimsical witch globe light. Starting with a plain white glass light globe, using black craft paint, I'm first going to start painting a broom. Then I'll start on the witch silhouette. If you make a mistake, simply wipe the paint from the glass before it dries and continue. Once I have the witch mostly complete, I'll paint the rest of the broom and add a black cat. To fill in the rest of the globe, I'm going to simply paint some swirl lines and accent them with some dots of paint. And with the addition of a flameless tea light, here's the finished look. welcome to my channel. I'm Christopher Heidemann and I love to decorate. Over the years, I've had a blast sharing a variety of craft and decorating videos. From cozy fall and spooky Halloween to warm and inviting Christmas. And other fun videos including seasonal home tours, garden tours, simple desserts and treats, floral arrangements, and other projects to make your holidays and home even more spectacular.